Hello guys, today our topic is what is stop loss and how we take the profit. First I tell about the stop loss. A stop loss it means trader will stock and take loss on the trade. This often happen when a trade does not a plan out of way. Trades hoped there are points and designed to prevent it will come mentally and limit loss because escalate. For example, if the stock is break below a key support level, trades often accelerate. For the example or support level, traders often sell soon all possible. On other hand, take profit is a price at which traders sell stocks, take a profit on a trade, then it when additional upside is limited given risk. For example, if a stock approaches a key resistance level, move upward, traders may want to sell by a period of a condolence. How we effective the set the stop loss. Setting a stop loss to take a profit often during using a technical analysis, but fundamental technical analysis can help to key a role a timing. For example, if trader is a holding stock ahead of earning excitement building, then they may want to sell before the new hits. And if expectation have become too high, regardless whether the take the profit. Moving the average represent of most of popular way to set these points, as there is a easy calculate and and widely tackle the markets. Keep moving average includes 5, 9, 20, 100 average. They are the best setup to applying their stocks chart determine where the stock is reacted to them past either a support resistance level. Another way to place a stop loss and a profit on support resistance trade line. This can draw by the connecting the previous high low the occurred on significant above the average volume. Lows and occurred significant above your idea. The key is determine the level at which price react on the trend lines moving. When average and a course of high when setting the points are high, some consideration. Use the long-term moving average. More value stock reduce chance to the meaning price where the triggers. Adjust moving average match target price range. For example, long target should use larger moving reduce the number of signals generated. Stop loss should not be closer than 1.5 time right current high to volume range, as are likely executed without a reason. Adjusting a stop loss according to the market volatility. If the stock price isn't moving in such a way, stop loss points can be tightened. Use known the fundamental events earning the realize can the raise. Stop loss using making profit also necessary to calculate expected return. The importance of calculation cannot be overcasting forces of the thing. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.